Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am. You see these two is what I reviewed the last video. These two, I made some few upgrades. You want to see them? You want to see it? Let's see it. First one, this upgrade, okay? Let me put them in order. I upgraded the legs, the arm, where I had to hold the grapple hook, turned into a blaster. I put a blade, and you can see I put some marker, purple marker, but it looks black. The purple marker, you see here, you can see it. Yeah. Then let's see. I don't want to add a better waist because this red joint is doing the best. Lucky I bought the Lego Max sets. Yeah. So I only have Sora, Aaron, and Cole. And you see that problem. I break my Lego Max set. So when I'm done, I break them and I make something much better. You know the J Lego set, the mini set, mini Mac. You see those are ten legs and arms. So in order that I use these pieces to upgrade the legs, and in a way, I made him much taller. And oh my gosh, this fell out. I just wanted to say thank you, guys. I need to make it up to 50 subscribers. Maybe I can live stream with my favorite fans. Yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot. This is my minifigure. So I used Sora's body, War Machine's arms. I used War Machine's legs. I used the Lego race car set, the 2 pack. So I don't know. I lost the other pieces in my toy box. Don't tell Lego. Then I made this out of it. Then yeah. Your Sky's head from the spinner set. So I covered it in black marker, drilled here. I used the nail file to draw the eyes. Look menacing. Look how it is in the helmet. Cool. And I have a storage bag for him. You see there? Yeah.